record. I'm gonna have to find where these recordings go. I only kind of remember. All right. Make sure this is selected. Okay. Hello, and welcome to the showcase presentation for CCFL's Helping the Helpers mobile-friendly training application. My name is Jacob Peterson, and I'm the multi-team student squad lead for the project. And I'm here today with Fatima Muhammad, the specialty team student squad lead, to present the application.
Thank you for joining us.
CCFL, or the Center on Children, Families, and the Law, is one of 59 departments, centers, programs, or institutes located within the College of Arts and Sciences at UNL. CCFL conducts research and provides teaching and public service on issues related to the child and family, CCFL, or the Center on Children, Families, and the Law, is one of 59 departments, centers, programs, or institutes located within the College of Arts and Sciences at UNL. CCFL conducts research and provides teaching and public service on issues related to the child and family policy. This is further demonstrated in their mission statement, which is now being shown. Helping the helpers. We provide an interdisciplinary and collaborative approach to improve systems and outcomes for children and families. So at a high level, our project and goal of the project was to better help the helpers by improving efficiency and dependability of the current training system. Our direct project stakeholders from CCFL include Eve Brank, who is the CCFL director, as well as the product owner for this project. Josh Rice, who is our technical contact throughout the development cycle. Charlie Lewis, a project director at CCFL, and Allison Jones, an IT administrator at CCFL. Our supporting faculty and staff include Brady Garvin, acting as our tribe lead, Bill Browning, our project manager, and Sherry Weber, the project coach. The student main team includes myself, Jacob Peterson, as the main team squad lead and main team product manager, Mark Hollis, the main team development manager, Z Chu, a main team developer, Raksharth Chowdhury, a main team developer, and finally, Hang Yi Hu, also a main team developer. I'll now pass it off to Fatima to introduce her team.
I will be introducing our specialty team. I am Fatima Muhammad, the specialty team squad lead and product manager. Next, we have Gage Zollikoffer, our specialty team development manager, and our two specialty team developers, Jessica Wheeler and Dane Galantine. I'll now let Jake introduce the problem and opportunity.
Thank you, Fatima. CCFL trains approximately 3,500 people each year. These people include child welfare specialists, judges, teachers, attorneys, law students, probation officers, and community service providers. Due to CCFL being grant and contract funded, training material is very limited on any form of mobile platform. There simply isn't proper budget to develop a tool from the ground up to assist in this documentation problem. Because of this, approximately 400,000 sheets of paper are printed to properly distribute the training material. This method isn't cost or time effective, as the material can update frequently, requiring another printing and distribution. It is often the case, training updates will come out, and by the time they're distributed, a new update will also come out, which requires a reprinting and redistribution of the same material. The bottom line is it's difficult to both update and distribute training materials using the current system. That being said, the creation of an application to assist in the serving of training material would have massive impact on both the amount of paper consumed annually, as well as the efficiency of distributing training material in a timely and dependable manner. I'll now pass it off to Fatima to present the solution developed.
Thank you, Jake. So our solution was to build a progressive web application. This means that it runs using a web browser shell so that the app would be supported on all platforms. This app serves CCFL training material in an account-based fashion so that users only see the material that pertains to them. Also, this interactive training app consists of a built-in system to encourage users to return to the app to read the training material by awarding reputation points as incentive. As you can see on the picture, we have the user Jake Peterson, and we can see the sections that he has registered for. He can also click on a particular section to extend down and view the subsections for that particular section, as well as see his reputation points, which are awarded each time he logs in or adds a new section. Here we have a short demo of our application. So first, the user will sign up. When a user signs up, they will have to input their first name, last name, email, and password. Once they have input the necessary information, they can go on and select the training sections that they want to have displayed for their particular account. Now the user will be selecting their desired sections, and once they click sign up, they'll be redirected back to the login page, and a confirmation email will be sent to them from CCFL. The user will now log back in. There also is a forgot password functionality that allows a user to reset their password. So now the user is directed to the home screen where they can see the sections they enrolled, their information. They can also add a section, and they can also see their reputation points, which again is added each time they log in or add a section. They'll also be able to view all of their documents. And now the user will log out. This project offers the sponsor value in reduced printing costs, simplifies maintainability, and ease of access. Reduced printing costs due to the transition from printing to a mobile application service. Maintainability is simplified because future updates are streamlined and posted live for users. Ease of access allows for updates to documentation, which are posted instantly for users to access. 2 skills our teams learned from this project were teamwork and communication. In our experience, poor communication and teamwork could lead to a less valuable product. Instances of poor communication resulted in conflicting development and merge conflicts. Having a larger team, it was important to communicate frequently and effectively so that we may build off of each other's contributions and strengths in a beneficial way. We'd like to take this time to thank the sponsors involved as well as the supporting faculty and staff. It has been a pleasure working with you all throughout the year. We are glad to have had the opportunity to aid in your future endeavors. Thank you.
All right, perfect. That was 8.5 minutes.
Nice. Should I redo anything or?
No, I think that was all good.
Okay.
I just have to cut out my one thing. How do I stop this?